Hey guys, welcome back. It's super early in the morning and I look crazy, but I just wanted to show you guys. I was like, oh, it would be a good idea if I show you guys how I refresh the curls. Even though they don't look crazy, I'm gonna show you how I refresh my hair. I didn't even get to wash my face yet, but I was like, this is how you know I love YouTube so much. I love you guys so much because literally, so this is how they look right now. They're starting to look a little bit frizzy. So what I would do is I would use some foam like this, and literally you could use any foam that you have. I normally wouldn't use this foam, but I had it, so I'm just gonna shake it up real quick, and I'm gonna put like this much, and this just helps control like frizz and all that. Keep in mind, when I did finish my hair, I did not put this on my head, so yeah. So I just rub this in. Try not to pull on your curls because, yeah. Just kind of rub it in like so. This just helps them to look juicy, to be honest. I'm gonna do the other side. I do have 71 twists in my hair because I wanted it to be super full. So yeah. And tell me if you guys want to see a video on how I sleep with these twists, because a lot of people did the method. Ooh, a lot of people did the method using like these scrunchies, but you can see this will not fit all my hair, so I don't use that method. I use a different method and it works perfectly for all these twists that I have in my hair. Okay, so when I do that, the curls for the twist look just like this. And then I go in with my favorite thing. If you watch me before, you know that with curly hair, this is my favorite spray. It's the coconut oil by OGX. And I just spray that all over my hair and my roots. You can also spray it in your hand and kind of like scrunch the ends of the curl, but that's literally all I do. And then it looks like this. It just makes it look more fresh and refreshed. I'm just gonna turn around so you can see it from the back. I probably should have worn a different shirt so you guys can see it better. This is how it looks. I was going for a kind of like layered effect, but I think I'm gonna redo the twist in the back so it all can like be up here. Also, don't forget to shop Tropic Touches. This is my satin head wrap. I wear it every single time to lay my edges or as a style. But yeah. Alright, you guys, so I know that the camera is in like a weird angle and this is very impromptu, but I did make a video of me showing you how I refresh the passion twist, and I'm gonna take them out like really soon, like tomorrow, because I can't stand it. Like I literally already started. As you can see, I already started taking it out, but I wanted to show you guys how I sleep with them, because I was looking at videos like how people sleep with a lot of passion twists, and I have 71 twists in my hair. So I'm going to show you guys how to sleep at night, or I'm going to show you how to tie your hair up at night if you have passion twists and you're so confused and you don't want to go to sleep without tying it, because then it's going to be like dreads. So yeah. I'm gonna link down below some of these. These are these like bendy headbands. I use this in my older videos with my curly wig. So all I do is flip my head over like so. Hopefully you can see me and the angle is not bad. But I flip my hair like this and then I tie it up like so. You could also do this if you want to wear it in like a ponytail, but I'm not gonna do that. So You just bend it like that. And then you have something like this. And then if you want, you could wear it like this. This looks a hot ass mess, but yeah. So I'm just going to tie it around like a bun. Like so. I'm also going to link up in the eye above how I did these passion twists, because I did make a video on how I put them in. And then, since the bun is so big, these satin scrunchies can't even go over it. So I'm just going to use my Chocolate Touches head wrap, to tie around it like a big hair tie. I feel like if you guys have these, let me show you. If you have these big hair ties, you could also use this, but you're gonna probably struggle a little bit to put it on, but you could also use these big ones. Then I'm gonna go ahead and tie down around my head, because I'm gonna show you why. So I'm tying around my head with my same Chocolate Touches thing, like so. And then I'm going to use this extra jumbo bonnet. And you can find this at your local beauty store. I do recommend going on Amazon and typing it in and see if you could find it on Amazon. And literally, this fits all your head, your whole thing. So you're maybe wondering, okay, well, how am I going to take a shower if I want to take a shower and tie my hair? Okay, I got you. So I'm going to get a next hair tie and literally pull this up like you're about to put it in a ponytail, like so, and tie it around in a small bun. And this is going to prevent the back of your hair, the back of the bonnet, from being on your shoulders. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if this video was helpful. This video was very easy, but I haven't seen nobody haven't made a video trying to tell me how to put all these twists in a thing to go to sleep. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.